Okay, good evening. Welcome to
SuperMath161.
SuperMath161. So this is a problem that gave you a little bit of difficulty today, and it's such an awesome problem that I thought it'd be really fun to do it kind of as a project and do it live tonight. So the original problem says this: A, B, C, D, E. I forgot to draw an E. That's the back corner. Is a square pyramid such that BC is 6, AC is 5. Sides are 5 there. And the question is find the total surface area and find the volume of the pyramid. That's the original question. That's an example. And then the problem in the homework says when we first made this example, we let BC equal 8 instead of 6. So can you write 8 in there for me? And the question is, why did we have to change it? Do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I looked at it for homework, and I was seeing that it's not because this pyramid couldn't exist. Because it satisfies the triangle inequality. So.
What do you mean by that? Can you pick up that pyramid there, by the way?
Like if we pretended this was 8 and this was 5.
Okay.
This pyramid, it satisfies the triangle inequality where this is smaller than this plus this.
Ah, I see. Very interesting. Okay. But yet they still had to change it.
Well, maybe calculating the surface area and volume could help.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that.
Well, the surface area, we got 64 plus, let's see, this is 4 root 2. So we have a right triangle. Height, this is the height here. And 5. Oh, I see. 4 root 2 squared is 32. And h plus 32 is 25. So.
What's that equation? H plus 32 is 25?
Well, it's h squared plus 32 is 25.
Okay.
So h squared equals -7.
That seems like that might be a problem.
That means 8, but we're talking about distances, so h has to be positive.
Yeah.
But this is h squared, so h is imaginary. I think it's I times the square root of 7.
Yeah, well that's fine. So that we got a problem with the height. So that's interesting. So going to calculate, I'm not even sure what you were calculating there.
I was calculating it's this triangle.
Okay.
To calculate the height, I was doing this plus something. This squared plus this squared is this squared.
So that's interesting. So we got a height that doesn't work. So what does that mean? What does that mean? What's going on here?
Well, that means this doesn't exist.
Okay, but why not? It seemed like we had triangle inequality. Seems like we had everything was okay here.
Well, what went wrong?
What went wrong?
But, well, we saw that it was this triangle's inequality that broke it.
Okay. So what's going on? What's wrong? What's a triangle in here that doesn't work?
Well, what if we drew this line across?
Okay.
That would still work, though.
We'll draw it. That line across, how long is that?
That's 8 root 2.
Alright.
So you have 10. Actually, maybe 10 is greater than 10 is greater than 8 root 2.
What does that mean? 10 is greater than 8 root 2?
Well, it's this side plus this side is bigger than this side.
Okay.
Well, actually, that's smaller.
Yeah.
Smaller than this side.
Alright, why?
Well, that's the triangle inequality.
But why is it smaller? Why is 10 less than 8 root 2?
Well, that's what the triangle inequality says that it should be greater.
Okay. Alright.
So, but it isn't. Because 8 root 2, well, root 2 is about 1.4.
Okay.
So we could say this is around 8, it's 8 plus 8 times 4/10. This is actually it's 3.2. So this is about 11.2.
Okay.
Which is bigger than 10. So
Right.
this breaks the triangle inequality.
Okay. So it's interesting, although the faces worked,
The middle triangle didn't.
the middle triangle didn't. Alright. Good job. Good job.